This video I will explain free tier DynamoDB. How to use DynamoDB without paying. If you are new to AWS DynamoDB and worried about cost, don't worry. Amazon offers a free tier. Using that, you can use DynamoDB at no charge, as long as you stay within certain limits. What is DynamoDB free tier? The free tier is Amazon's offer to let you try DynamoDB for free. It is especially useful for beginners, students, and small projects. You can build and test apps without paying money, as long as you stay within the allowed usage. Who can use the free tier? Anyone who has a new AWS account can use the free tier. The free tier is valid for 12 months after you first create your AWS account. After 12 months, you will be charged if you keep using DynamoDB. What do you get for free? Here is what DynamoDB free tier includes every month. 25 GB storage. You can store up to 25 gigabytes of data. 25 write capacity units. This allow you to perform up to 200 writes per seconds. 25 read capacity units. This allow up to 50 strongly consistent reads per second, 100 eventually consistent reads per seconds. These limits are enough for small apps, basic learning and practice. What can you build with it? Simple to-do list apps, student projects, small block databases, practice projects for learning AWS. How to use DynamoDB free tier? First, you have to sign up for AWS. For that, go to aws.amazon.com and create free account. Then open the DynamoDB service. For that, go to AWS Management Console and search for DynamoDB. Then create a new table. Click on Create Table. Then choose the table name like users or task. Then set partition key, for example, user ID. This is how DynamoDB organizes your data. And you can leave other settings as default to stay within free tier. Then you can use the table like add, read, update or delete items using the console or AWS SDK. You can also test your app with tools like AWS Lambda or API Gateway. Then you can monitor your usage. Go to Billing Dashboard in AWS, set up alerts to notify you if you are close to exceeding the free limits. How to avoid charges? Don't create too many tables. Don't turn on extra features like on-demand capacity or global tables unless you understand the cost. Delete any test tables you no longer use. Use proficient capacity, not on-demand, because on-demand is more expensive.